Oh shit. We got a situation. Nashville, Tennessee. What we got here? Oh shit. Go get 'em, brothers. Oh man. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. Nashville, Tennessee, brothers. Get some. Oh man. Oh god. My dick is so hard. It's a very uneventful one. But we got one, brothers. Oh man. Phew. Got the old high idle in. Oh man, dude, I'm getting the full fucking walk around. Oh man. Engine fucking company 22. Get some, brothers. We got fucking mall security here now. Oh shit, dude. We got a drunk person. This is it, brothers. Oh no, ambulance truck. Oh. No smoke, boys. I am confined to a hotel in Nashville, Tennessee. This is all I can get, short of the fucking goddamn hotel catching on fire. I don't know. I think I'm at the, here we are. This is where we are. Brotherhood Bus Convention, the Gaylord Opryland. This is where we are. We got a situation. I can't believe this shit. Oh man. Complete disappointment, brothers. But there's nothing like spuffing in another city. Look, watch this. Watch this. I'm gonna go through the roundabout while my brothers go through. Oh man. Oh shit. Oh. Dude, I'm up close and personal. This is some legit shit, dude. My man's hammered. Look at this. Oh shit. Look at his eyes. My man's seen some shit. Oh, that's it, boys. I'll see what I can buff later.